morning, dear students. So this is exercise 6.2 and here we are going to discuss about question number 3. So in question number 3, what is given? Given is A line parallel to CB. A line parallel to CB and A line parallel to CD. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that AM upon AB should be equal to AN upon AD. Okay, so let's prove. So first, LN parallel to CD. So if LN parallel to CD, then according to theorem 6.1, AM upon MB should be equal to AL upon LC. See the triangle. See the triangle A, B, C. इस ट्रायंगल में आपका LM पैरेलल टू BC. It will be BC or CB. LM parallel to BC or CB. So according to theorem 6.1, their ratios will be equal. It means AM upon AB, AM upon MB should be equal to AL upon LC. So now there is another, that is LN parallel to CD. So LN parallel to CD, same thing according to theorem 6.1, what will be AL upon LC. या हम पहले ये लेते हैं AN upon ND. AN upon ND equal to AL upon LC. AL upon LC. So here you see the triangle. Which triangle? ACD. ACD triangle. Now here you see from both the equation, you may take it as equation 2 and you just take it as equation 1. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, what do we get? We get that RHS are equal. RHS, here it is AL upon LC, here it is also AL upon LC. So LHS will be equal, that is AM upon MB equal to AN upon ND. So let's write it. AM upon MB should be equal to AN upon ND. Why? Because RHS are equal. RHS इक्वल है तो LHS भी इक्वल हो जाएगा. So now you just add 1 both the side. Adding 1 both the sides. So what it will be? AM upon MB plus 1 equal to AN upon ND plus 1. So now what I will do? It will be taking first LCM, it is MB, MB will be LCM, then above AM plus MB equal to what it will be? LCM will be ND and it will be AN plus ND. So AM plus NB is what? AM plus NB. It will be AB. So write it AB upon MB equal to AN plus ND. AN plus ND. What it will be? AD. So AD upon ND. Now reciprocal both the sides. Reciprocal both the sides. अगर दोनों साइड को रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो क्या होगा? It will goes to MB upon AB equal to ND upon AD. Now it proved. Is it clear? So it is given that what to prove AM upon AB is equal to AN upon ND. So I think you may clear that how to prove this AM upon MB. Thank you.